Hey, Jesse and Chandler here at EC Auto Repair. So we got a little Chevy pickup we're fixing to do an oil service on. So you just got back from a test drive. We do a test drive before every oil change, right?
Yes, we do.
So what are you looking for on the test drive?
See if the alignment's off, any indicators of TPMS lights, any lights going off, check engine light, alignment's off, brake noise, any drivetrain noise or anything like that. And then we bring it back to the shop and do our oil service on it.
So you're looking for noises, vibrations, and anything that's not the way it's supposed to be, right?
Yes.
You'll even check like the window washer fluid, make sure it sprays out, cruise control's working.
Yep.
Steering wheel's not pulling to the left or the right. Just a short little drive, right, before
Yep.
every single oil change, right?
Yep.
What's the real purpose of that, right? Is the real purpose that we're wanting to give a vehicle to the customer or advise them of the condition of their vehicle to know if it's safe to drive or not?
Yes, we do that so they know it's safe to drive, or if it's not safe to drive, because you could be switching hands with a off alignment, you could be switching hands and slam your car right into a curb or into another car itself.
Oh, that'd be awful. Okay. So how did the test drive go on this one?
Went pretty good, no check engine lights, doesn't need alignment, drives pretty straight.
Okay.
About it.
So y'all are fixing to raise it up in the air. You're going to do an under vehicle inspection
Yes,
too?
we do an under vehicle inspection. If we see anything, we actually bring the customer out and show them if like their ball joints are cracking, their tie rods are cracking, or anything that's broken, messed up on the underside of the vehicle or anything like that.
So you've been with us for about 3 weeks and you already know how to do this process?
Yeah.
Right? And you came from one of the local dealerships here in town?
Yes, sir.
All right. So does the process work the same way at the dealership?
No, they do not.
They do not.
They don't even do test drives.
They don't do test drives?
They don't do test drives. They just say put it on the rack, change the oil. If something looks broken, say it. That's about it.
So, so is it care? Is that the difference? That
Yes,
we
do
actually care more?
Yes, we actually do care about our customer, want them to be safe on the road, make sure nothing's wrong with their vehicle.
Very good. Thank you for that. I appreciate it.